Indomobil Emotor has launched its latest electric adventure scooter, the Tyranno, inspired by the Tyrannosaurus. The motorcycle boasts several Indonesian-first features, including a smart inclinometer, cruise control, and a smart touchscreen speedometer panel. Indomobil Emotor has again introduced its newest product to the Indonesian market. Following the Adora, they've brought the Tyranno to entice consumers. This new product is interesting because it features an adventure scooter style. The name itself is inspired by the prehistoric animal, the Tyrannosaurus. The features embedded in this electric iron horse are quite capable, so it's hoped it will meet the community's needs. The Indomobil Emotor Tyranno is equipped with the latest features, including a smart inclinometer, cruise control, and a smart touchscreen speedometer panel. Some of these technologies are claimed to be the first of their kind in Indonesia. The Tyranno electric motorcycle's appearance can be said to have a true adventurous character. It features two round LED headlights and projectors on the fascia, along with LED turn signals on the side that also function as daytime running lights or DRL. Under the handlebars, there are also small, striking LED turn signals. Moving to the rear, the bike features a rectangular brake light with LED technology. Then there's the crash bar or exo-armor that protects the motorcycle's body in the event of a fall. Then, several multi-purpose storage compartments are added. Features that support vehicle control include traction control system, push assist mode, combi brake assist, reverse mode, and regenerative braking. To further support adventure activities, Tyranno is paired with dual-purpose tires measuring 110/70 by 12 inches at the front and 120/70 by 12 inches at the rear. The Tyranno is equipped with a 2.5 kWh lithium battery and allows the motorbike to travel up to 110 kilometers. Meanwhile, the maximum speed of this electric vehicle is believed to be 80 kilometers per hour. The embedded drive motor has a capacity of 3 kW or 3000 watts, and is capable of producing 180 Nm of torque. In order to travel confidently on various road conditions, the motorbike's ground clearance is made up to 170 mm. Indomobil Emotor will always provide the best vehicles for motorcyclists in Indonesia, through environmentally friendly products, the latest designs, and the latest technology. In terms of price, Indomobil Emotor Tyranno is marketed at IDR 25.9 million on the road in Jakarta, approximately $1,570 or about 90,000 in Philippine peso.